Having a toned midsection is more than impressive looking, but also improve your sport performance and reduce health risks. But building abs is never easy. You may find endless crunches and twists tiring and lack of efficiency. Here is the truth. Our abs is consisted of three large muscle group: rectus abdominis, also called upper abs, transverse abdominis, or lower abs, and obliques. When you train abs, you need to train them together. So we have prepared this 15 exercises that really works and hit every inch of your muscle to maximize your gain. You can mix them together or pick your likes to create your routine. Come on. Ready to go. Part 1: Upper Abs. Exercise 1. Clapping crunches. Sit on the floor with your feet lifted a little bit and back tilted backward. Alternately lift your legs and clap under your knees. Next. Exercise 2. Heel touch. Lie on your back with your feet flat on the floor. Slightly lift your shoulders off the floor. Alternately reach your heels with your hands. Next. Exercise 3. Sit-ups. Lie on your back with your hands behind your ears. Lift your upper body off the floor and slowly up to the sitting position. Slowly return and repeat. Next. Exercise 4. Up and down plank. Start in the straight arm plank position. Bend your arms and go into a traditional plank position. Return and repeat. Next. Exercise 5. V-hold. Sit on the ground with your upper body and legs at a 45-degree angle to the ground. Stretch your arms forward. Hold this position. Next. Part 2: Lower abs. Exercise 1. Leg raises. Lie on your back. Put your hands beneath your hips for support. Lift your legs up until they form a right angle with the floor. Slowly bring your legs back down and repeat. Next. Exercise 2. Reverse crunches. Lie on your back and bring your knees up. Place your hands behind your ears. Lift your shoulders and thighs, then stretch out. Next. Exercise 3. Leg in and outs. Sit with your legs lifted and your palms behind you on the ground. Bend your arms and lean your upper body back. Bring your knees toward your chest. Then fully extend your legs without touching the ground. Next. Exercise 4. Seated abs circles. Sit with your legs lifted and your palms behind you on the ground. Bend your arms and lean your upper body back. Move your legs clockwise in circles. Next. Exercise 5. Flutter kicks. Lie on your back with your arms at your sides and legs slightly lifted. Quickly raise your right leg up, and simultaneously lower your left leg. Switch legs and repeat. Next. Part 3: Obliques. Exercise 1. Knee to elbow crunches. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your hands behind your ears. Touch your opposite knee to your opposite elbow. Next. Exercise 2. Bent leg twist. Lie on your back with your arms extended to your sides. Lift your right leg up, and simultaneously lower your left leg. Switch legs and repeat. Next. Part 4: Abdominis. Exercise 1. Knee to elbow crunches. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your hands behind your ears. Touch your opposite knee to your opposite elbow. Next. Exercise 2. Bent leg twist. Lie on your back with your arms extended to your sides. Lift your knees and bend them at 90 degrees. Twist your legs to the left, then return and twist to the other side. Repeat the exercise. Next. Exercise 3. Russian twist. Sit with your feet slightly lifted and back tilted backward. Hold your hands together and twist from side to side. Next. Exercise 4. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your hands behind your ears and legs lifted up. Try to alternately reach your opposite elbow to your opposite knee. Next. Exercise 5. Side plank knee crunch. Lie on your right side with your forearms supporting on the floor and body straight. Put your left hand behind your ear. Lift your left knee, squeeze your abs and bring your elbow and knee close to each other. Stretch out and repeat the exercise. If you enjoy this video, you can like it and share it. Please stay tuned, we are working on more exciting workout. Need more offline guided training on your mobile? Try our app, easily start your personal training.